we all know what DNA is, and this is why the metaphor of a DNA is so strong, so to speak, because the use of the term DNA in connection with companies and brands is very frequently used. It's a fixed term, but not a exactly fixed definition. Um, so I recently stumbled across the book Story Driven from Bernadette Shiva. Um, and she speaks about two types of companies: story-driven companies and competition-driven companies. The story-driven companies are basically companies that are customer-centric. And she then defines and goes on and defines four attributes that basically make up the story-driven framework: backstory, values, purpose, vision, and strategy. Everything is very self-explanatory, but why is this important? And this is why I like the comparison of companies or brands to a person. If I take me, for example, I know where I came from, I know roughly my values, I know where I want to go, and I ideally I know how to go there. I mean, the purpose is a bit hard to define because why am I here? I mean, that's the most asked question in human history. What is the purpose of life? So maybe we can't answer that specifically. But I, as a human being, have a very clear image of who I am. Maybe I can't really explicitly tell you who I am, but I am who I am. And it's programmed in my subconscious. So every behavior, every step I take is my step. Every word I say is my word. Stranger who just met me once, so he picks up my tone of voice, my behavior, whatever, implicit, right? So this is not something we could, I mean, we can train to be able to recognize those things. Um, but okay, this is going to take us too far. It's all aligned with one personality, with his personality. But once a company grows, and normally a company outgrows one person, even if it only has a team of three persons, but those three persons also need to be acting like one. Why? Because this is important for a coherent appearance.